Sorry about that. I got cut off just at the end there. I'll just redo this last wee bit to finish off this question. Get rid of that so we can start from this part again. Okay, so I've got my two answers. I've got that x is 1.6 and y is 1.4. But I want to answer the question. The question says, find the length of the arrangement which has 5 beads and 2 pulls. So I've got 5 beads, 2 pulls, so that's 5x plus 2y. So I get 5 lots of 1.6 plus 2 lots of 0.4, which is 8 plus 0.8, which would be 8.8, and remember your units, centimetres. And that finishes simultaneous equations.